So my mum is driving me to the orthodontist, so I'm about to get my braces on. So yeah, we're nearly there. I'll see you guys when I'm there. Hey guys, we're actually not allowed to film while I'm getting them on, but I'll see you guys after I get them on, so you guys can see what I look like in them.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, so I've just had them put on. So right now I'm back in the car driving back to school. So they gave me a kit with like some toothbrushes and mouthwash and just, yeah, so I got it in this bag. But yeah, I'm on my way back to school, so I'll update you guys on if it hurts and just how it feels when I get back home. So yeah, bye. Hey guys, so I know the sound quality in those previous videos was really bad, so I'm really sorry about that, but in the next clip it gets better. Hey guys, so first of all, I'm really sorry that this video wasn't uploaded on time. There's just been so many things going on and I just couldn't really find the time to actually upload it and edit it. But here we go. It's uploaded now, which is good. So that's done. But yeah, I got my braces. I got them in the colour light blue, as you can see. You could choose between loads of different colours. They had dark blue, purple, red, yellow. They even had just normal silver. But I chose light blue. I think next time I might even get the light pink that they had, because that's quite aesthetic. Or maybe just the silver, because that's just kind of a neutral colour. But yeah, you can just choose any colour that you like. And you do have to brush your teeth more than normal. You have to brush them 3 times a day. Well, you're supposed to anyway. And they give you a kind of special toothbrush, so you can brush in between the wires. So that's what they give you. I'm just going to walk around now, because I get more concentrated when I walk around, if you're wondering that. But yeah, honestly, the first few days they were a bit sore. But then after I think the 3rd day, like, it's fine. The 2nd day was the worst day. Like, but I'm not even gonna lie, not even that was bad. Like, yeah, it doesn't even hurt. It's just like a headache in your teeth. So if you're gonna get braces, then don't worry about it hurting or anything like that, because it's just like, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most, 1 being nothing, it's about, for me it was like a 3. Some people don't even feel the pain, but some people's pain is worse than others. But for me it was just like 1 tooth that was hurting, but they give you a wax that you can put on it, which actually really helps. So if your teeth are hurting when you get braces, I really recommend using the wax. It helps so much. I mostly wore it throughout the night because it was quite hard to sleep with my tooth hurting. But yeah, just whenever it hurts, you can put on a bit of wax and it'll be fine. So yeah, that's my braces experience, you guys. So please like and subscribe, and thank you for 200 subscribers, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!